Time transition words in English. Transition words are words or phrases that help establish connections between sentences, paragraphs, or ideas in a piece of writing. Let's understand various transitions words used to indicate a time relationship. Time transition words in English. Earlier, occasionally, finally, usually, soon, currently, meantime, ordinarily, eventually, periodically, following, rarely, during day, gradually, meanwhile, another, formerly, since, at first, later, at length, at times, at last, for an hour, for a minute, after, for a day, to begin with, afterward, after that, before, during week, when, just as, once, as long as, yesterday, then, consequently, last of all, final, during afternoon, up until that, seldom, some of the time, first, until, next, while, every time, at the same time, concurrently, in the past, during morning,